This video is an assembly tutorial for the ESP32-S3-4.2 RLCD reflective display development board. Before you start, please check that all parts are included. Please note that the screen is fragile. Handle it with care and avoid pressing on it during assembly. First, remove the 4 screws on the back. Take off the back cover and peel off the protective film on both sides of the cover. Next, connect the speaker to the SBK connector. Then peel off the adhesive protective film on the back of the speaker. Please note that it should be stick to the side with the small screw holes. The side with the large screw holes should face outward to hold the screw heads. Now align the speaker with the speaker hole on the back cover and press it into place. After that, put the back cover back on and tighten the 4 screws. Then insert the acrylic stand into the corresponding slots. Finally, before installing the battery, note that the battery polarity markings are printed on the board. Install the battery according to these markings. Peel off the screen protective film, and the development board assembly is complete.